An outbreak of the Ebola virus in Uganda is continuing to spread, with 109 confirmed cases and 30 deaths. According to authorities, 6 children in the same family have come down with Ebola in the country's capital, Kampala. As the virus spreads, there is mounting concern that it could reach other countries. Tom Brada has more.
Screening people for symptoms of the deadly Ebola virus. In Kampala, the Ugandan capital, anxiety is growing over an outbreak which is not yet under control. The first confirmed case of this outbreak was identified towards the end of September. There are now more than 100 cases and 30 people already dead. Now the virus is circulating in Kampala, a city of around 1.5 million residents, and outbreaks in urban environments are especially difficult to contain.
But it will be bad to Kampala because we are so many. And what I request the president to do is to get for us medicine, because money is there.
A medicine which is desperately needed is a vaccine. But the strain of Ebola currently circulating in Uganda is the Sudan strain. And for that, no approved vaccine currently exists.
There is no known treatment for Sudan Ebola virus. Currently, there are a number of promising treatment options that the Ministry of Health is using under trial. However, the doses available are still very few.
Ebola is a virus which authorities take very seriously. The World Health Organization estimates the fatality rate is between 41% and 100%. To contain this outbreak, authorities have imposed lockdowns and curfews in some of the rural areas where the virus was first identified. Now, medical experts are calling for similar measures in the country's capital, a situation which many of Kampala's residents are desperate to avoid.
We are just fresh out of a lockdown and we are still paying debts from COVID times. Going back into a lockdown because of Ebola is unimaginable.
For now, authorities are closely watching how the current outbreak develops. But if cases continue to climb and more lives are lost, then Ugandans face the prospect of much tougher measures being brought in. Tom Brada, BBC News.